Do you want to relieve your hunchback with laziest way to be look beautiful? Welcome to Japanese Shoe Channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to relieve your hunchback. You know, hunchback. It's this kind of posture and it doesn't look good. Especially for, not especially, both gender doesn't look any. But we are doing proper stretch. So today I'm going to tell you about laziest way how to solve your hunchback. Don't you feel this is good? Okay, let's do laziest stretch with me to relieve your hunchback. Okay, please lay down, and you can do this laying down on your bed or couch or a floor, whatever, wherever you want. So let's lay down like this, and then a little bit move forward your under leg, and then move your upper leg backward a little, and then raise your hand like this, like this. This is it. Don't you think this is laziest way to solve your hunchback? It's the easiest way to be beautiful. And for stretch, we need to do at least 30 seconds. So let's do 30 seconds with me. So probably we left 15 seconds, so I will count for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, you did a really good job. You are special, because if you didn't do stretch any, this is the first step for you. It's so great. Okay, let's do opposite side. Please lay down, same posture as me, and your underside leg move front forward, and then move your upper leg backward. Okay, did you set your figure? And then raise your hand like this. It will stretch your front part of your chest, which usually became tight when you are hunchback. Okay, as I told you, we have to do at least 30 seconds stretch. So we have 15 seconds left. I will count it for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, good. When you do this daily, for example, when you wake up or when you go to a bed, so let's put this routine to your daily life, then solve your hunchback. You will be beautiful than before, definitely. Okay, today's video is it. If you like the video, please push like and subscribe to my channel. And if your friends has this kind of hunchback like this, please share it to your friends as well. Thanks for watching. See you again. Salamat.